Hi guys, welcome back. So we're going to be cooking Ofe Akwu today. That's Banga stew. So these are palm kernels already washed and ready to be boiled. So after that, I extracted the palm nuts and everything. I forgot the clip. So this is stockfish, assorted goat meat. So after that was boiling down, I added in the goat meat stockfish into the banga paste on fire, added dry fish. There was stockfish in it as well, and so you let that boil down a little bit, and then you add your pepper, crayfish, onion, and ogiri. This is banga spice from a local vendor, on Instagram, and then the local market. I put both of them together into the pot and let that boil down as well. You add in your seasoning, salt, Maggi. I use Maggi star, about 4 cubes, those small ones, 4 cubes, and a little bit of salt. Yes, and you let that keep boiling. Once it's getting thick, you can see it's getting thick, you're ready, good to go. You put in your scent leaf. Yes, I use scent leaf. I don't use ugu, I use scent leaf. So that's done. You serve with rice and plantain or whatever you want, really.